Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the CTEK MXS 3.8 to see if it truly lives up to the hype. About the product, the MXS 3.8 microprocessor-controlled 7-step battery charger and maintainer is suitable for batteries from 1.2 ampere-hours to 85 ampere-hours. Features include battery diagnosis to establish whether your battery can receive and retain a charge, a patented desulfation program, and a snowflake program for charging on cold days. It also includes selectable programs for charging smaller and normal batteries. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the CTEK MXS 3.8 battery clamps, user manual. How to use. First, connect the red clamp to your battery's positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal. Then connect the charger to the power outlet. When the charger is on, the green power LED lights up. Then, selecting car mode, the battery starts charging. When the battery is charged, just disconnect the clamp and start your car, and away you go. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.